The iPad Mini 8 is finally here, and it is honestly the device we have been waiting for to redefine what a portable powerhouse actually looks like in 2026. For years, the small tablet market has been stagnant, leaving power users torn between the convenience of a compact form factor and the performance limitations of older hardware. But everything changes today. We are looking at a complete architectural overhaul that pushes the boundaries of silicon efficiency and display technology. If you have ever felt like your current tablet was either too big to carry comfortably or too weak to handle heavy-duty tasks, this specific model is designed to solve that exact friction point. We are talking about an integration of the latest chipset that brings desktop-class performance into a device that literally fits into the palm of your hand, and the implications for creative professionals, gamers, and productivity enthusiasts are absolutely massive. When you first hold the iPad Mini 8, the refinement in design is immediately apparent. Apple has managed to shave off even more bezel weight while increasing the screen-to-body ratio to a level that feels almost futuristic. This is not just a cosmetic update. The engineering required to dissipate heat from such a high-performing processor within such a tight chassis is a feat of modern physics. You might be wondering if this level of power is overkill for a small screen, but once you experience the fluidity of professional-grade apps running natively without a single stutter, the skepticism vanishes. The thermal management system has been completely reimagined to ensure that whether you are editing high-resolution video on the go, rendering 3D models, or engaging in intense competitive gaming, the performance remains consistent throughout your entire session. Let's talk about that display, because it is arguably the most important feature for anyone choosing a tablet of this size. We are seeing a transition to a high refresh rate panel that makes every interaction, from scrolling through massive documents to navigating complex interfaces, feel incredibly tactile and responsive. The color accuracy, brightness levels, and anti-reflective coatings have been pushed to their absolute limits, making this device perfectly usable even in direct, challenging lighting conditions. This is where the gap between budget tablets and this flagship-tier miniature powerhouse becomes undeniable. You aren't just buying a smaller iPad. You are buying a concentrated dose of top-tier hardware that eliminates the need to carry a heavy laptop for your daily heavy lifting. The software integration on the iPad Mini 8 is where the real magic happens. By leveraging the latest operating system updates specifically optimized for this chipset, the multitasking capabilities have been elevated to a point where you can effectively treat this device as your primary workstation. We are seeing a complete redesign of how apps handle window management, allowing for a desktop-like workflow that stays intuitive and focused. Whether you're a student managing multiple research projects, a designer sketching with hyper-precision, or a business professional handling data-heavy spreadsheets, the system adapts to your workflow rather than forcing you to adapt to the hardware. This is the definition of efficiency, and once you start using it, going back to a larger, clunkier device feels like taking a step backward in technology. Battery life has always been the Achilles heel of high-performance mobile devices, but the iPad Mini 8 changes the narrative entirely. Through a combination of advanced power management software and the sheer efficiency of the new silicon, the power consumption is balanced perfectly against the performance output. You're looking at a device that can comfortably handle a full day of demanding professional use without needing to reach for a charger. This level of endurance, paired with the rapid charging capabilities that have been updated to support faster replenishment, means your workflow remains uninterrupted. It is a rare balance of power and longevity that sets a new industry standard for the entire category, and it is exactly why this device has become the most anticipated release of the year. As we look at the broader impact of this release, it is clear that the iPad Mini 8 is not just another iteration in a long line of tablets. It represents a fundamental shift in how we perceive portability and productivity. The era of compromising performance for the sake of size is officially over. This is a device for those who demand the best, who value their time, and who refuse to be tethered to a desk. Whether you are upgrading from an older generation or moving over from a completely different ecosystem, the transition is seamless, and the performance gains are immediate and palpable. Stick with me as we dive deep into the specific benchmarks, the real-world battery testing, and the long-term potential of this incredible piece of technology, because you won't want to miss how this stacks up against every other competitor currently on the market.